Space exploration is the reason why we know all about the moon's crater. Let us review what an impact crater is. Do you think we will know about impact crater without space exploration? This is how impact crater is formed. Impact cratering is the excavation of a planet's surface when it is struck by a meteor. Impacts are instantaneous events. They leave very characteristic features. This portion of the moon is covered by numerous circular holes. These are impact craters, each of which was formed when an asteroid or comet collided with the moon's surface. The large number of craters in this region indicates that this part of the moon is quite ancient. Geologic processes have not erased the craters with time. What happens when an impactor hits? When an impactor strikes the solid surface of a planet, a shock wave spreads out from the site of the impact. The shock wave fractures the rock and excavates a large cavity much larger than the impactor. The impact sprays material ejecta out in all directions. The impactor is shattered into small pieces and may melt or vaporize. Sometimes the force of the impact is great enough to melt some of the local rock. If an impactor is large enough, some of the material pushed toward the edges of the crater will slump back toward the center, and the rock beneath the crater will rebound or push back up, creating a central peak in the crater. The edges of these larger craters also may slump, creating terraces that step down into the crater. This is the summary of how